Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys top 5 minimal desk accessories you can buy to pimp up your desk. All the products will be linked down below in the description, but anyways, let's get started. Kicking it off, I got a Himalayan salt lamp. I've seen this lamp featuring in several YouTube desk setup videos, and I just think that it has a great vibe to your overall desk and room. It is made out of real Himalayan salt, so it's quite heavy. The lamp is hollowed from the inside to make room for a A14 bulb. In my opinion, it gives you a nice and cozy look, and I also think that it looks great for your B-roll videos. The next item is another lamp which is from IKEA. It's a scissor arm desk lamp which you can clamp onto your desk or table. It is really easy to set up and it is not permanent, so you can move it around anytime you want. You can extend the arms and rotate it 360 degrees. It is made out from metal, so you can expect it to have a good lifetime. I've put an RGB bulb in it and it looks great in my opinion. Not only does it look nice, but it is also useful for when you're studying or reading on your desk. Now, to complete your lighting setup, I also got this RGB light strip. I bought this from Amazon for around $15 and it looks great in my opinion. This LED strip comes in a complete set, and I will put a similar link down below in the description so you can check it out. Now, it adds a really nice ambient light to your setup, and the cool thing about this light strip is that you can cut it down to your own choice of length to make it fit on your desk. With the remote that comes with it, you can also choose from different modes like fading, jumping, or customize it completely to your own choice of colors. Moving on, I got a nice artificial plant. This one is also from IKEA, and I really like it mostly because of its simple design. You can put this anywhere in your house or setup, and it will add a bit more color to it. And the best part about this is that it doesn't need any watering to it. Last up, I got a headphone hanger which I ordered from AliExpress. This is an aluminum headphone hanger, and it kind of organizes your desk by hiding your headphone under the desk. Because I like to keep my desk as minimal as possible, this headphone holder is perfect. You can hang up 2 headphones on this, and the 2 adhesive stickers that come with it are really strong, so you don't have to worry about the hanger falling off. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you have any questions, let me know down below in the description, or you can follow me on my social media, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.